Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. I hope you are doing great. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to export a video in the latest version of CapCut. If this helps you out, please consider subscribing to the channel. Alright, so once you have finished editing your video and everything looks the way you want, it's time to export. So on the top right corner of the screen, you will see the export or share icon. It usually looks like an arrow pointing up. Tap on that. And now a pop-up window will appear in front of you. Here you will see some options. The first one is the title. It is the name of the video. Just give it a name. So I'm just choosing a name here. And the second one is the location where you want to save the file, keeping the location as default. And after then, the third one is resolution. From the drop-down menu, you can choose the resolution of your video. If you want to export it as 2K or 4K, you can choose them, but your PC needs the ability to handle them. Just I'm suggesting here to choose 1080 pixels. And after then you can choose also bitrate from here. I'm just keeping it as medium or moderate, recommended one. And then codec. Normally choose this H.264. It is the most compatible codec. And after then you can choose the format. I suggest you to choose it as MP4. And finally you can choose frame rate. Just normally you can choose as it 60 fps or 30 fps. And once you are happy with the settings, tap the export button. Once it's done, the video will be saved to your gallery or your location automatically. That's all there is to it. Quick and easy, right? If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe to the channel. Allah Hafiz.